Hello, a very warm welcome to the channel. Now we are currently experiencing a really cold snap here in the UK. Well, it is to be expected because it is in the middle of December. It's Saturday and it's time for a little bit of comfort food. You know, as simple as it sounds, sometimes you just can't beat a nice warm bowl of hearty soup. Now making soup is really easy, but made even easier if that is possible by cooking it in the Thermomix TM6. Now there's literally hundreds of soups available on Cookie-Doo, but today I'm choosing a nice simple vegetable soup. Now I just can't stress enough how simple it is to make soup in the Thermomix. And I'm going to share that right with you now. Now this soup is mainly potato based but also made up of 400 grams of mixed vegetables of your choice. Today I'm choosing leek, parsnip and carrot. But it's entirely up to you what you'd like to put in. Anyway, without further ado, let's crack on and cook it. Okay, let's do this. Now there's an option on the recipe on Cookie-Doo to saute the onions and garlic in this recipe, which I'd prefer to do, so you can saute these ahead. So 80 grams of onions in with a couple of garlic cloves, so a quarter of those onions. So I'm going to chop these and chop these for 5 seconds on speed 7. All done. I've already added 20 grams of olive oil just for a little bit of fat in there, so on with the simmering basket. I'm going to saute these for 3 minutes. Just going to get a little bit more depth of flavour doing it this way into the soup. And speed 1. See you in 3 minutes. Okay, that is now complete, so we're going to go home, go to my week. I should have this pre-programmed, go to the actual recipe. Again, if you don't want to saute the onions and garlic ahead, you can just throw everything in from the start and follow the recipe and it'll be fine. I just don't think you'll just get that depth of flavour. So 400 grams of potatoes, everything is pre-weighed, just to make the video flow that bit better. Next, 100 grams of tomatoes, halved, and they pop. 80 grams of onions, we've already put them in. 1 garlic clove, that's already gone in. 400 grams of mixed vegetables, here we go, all pre-chopped, like I showed you at the start of the video. Onions, carrots, celery and parsnip. 2 sprigs of fresh parsley. Suggest you season this to taste. So that's about half a teaspoon. And you know me on this channel, some good old black pepper. I like a good bit of black pepper. Next, 600 grams of water. Now this is where I've changed the recipe again a little bit. I've actually got vegetable stock, but if you want to put water in, go ahead. Again, we're talking about depth of flavour. I just think you'll get a better soup adding stock. Okay, place simmering basket on, measuring cup. Again, how easy is this? Next, and we'll let the Thermomix do its work for 25 minutes. See you then. There is the familiar Thermomix alarm to say that the cooking is complete. A little bit of water about, so next. Place, add 20 grams of unsalted butter diced or olive oil. Now again, we did saute the onions at the start of the recipe, so we've already added the olive oil, so we're not going to bother with that. Click next. Insert measuring cup, pop that on because I think this is going to blend it now. So now we're going to turn the speed selector to 5, then increase gradually to speed 10. Let's get this soup blended.
A few moments later.
Goodness me, that was a bit noisy. Next serve hot. So what we're going to do is check consistency and more importantly seasoning, because we can add some seasoning while the soup's in the bowl, so it's a lot easier. Now that looks lovely and thick. Let's give it a taste. That is almost perfect, just a tiny little bit of salt, and we'll get it in a bowl. Now let's be honest, how hearty and warming does this look? Let's just finish it off, completely optional, just with a little bit of single cream. Just with a little turn of black pepper. And that is the Thermomix TM6 Vegetable Soup. Thank you so much for watching today. I do hope you enjoyed the video. What would you like to see me cooking? Fill the Fermi, drop a comment below. And of course, if you haven't already subscribed, do consider clicking that subscribe button. It helps my channel compete with the YouTube big boys. If you already own a Thermomix TM6 or maybe you're thinking of buying one, I would like to think this is your #1 independent resource for Thermomix on YouTube. But until next time, take care, keep safe, and I'll see you later.